Using Venmo for online purchases is a convenient and secure way to make transactions. To get started, you need to have a Venmo account, which you can create by downloading the Venmo app or visiting the Venmo website. Once you have an account, you can link your bank account, credit card, or debit card to fund your transactions. To make an online purchase using Venmo, start by ensuring the merchant you are buying from accepts Venmo as a payment method. You can do this by looking for the Venmo logo on the merchant's website or by contacting their customer support. If Venmo is an option, select it as your payment method at checkout. You will then be redirected to the Venmo website or app to complete the transaction. Log into your Venmo account using your username and password, and review the payment details to ensure everything is correct. You can choose to pay using the funds in your Venmo balance or link a payment method to cover the cost of the purchase. Once you have confirmed the payment details, Venmo will send the payment to the merchant, and you will receive a confirmation of the transaction. It is essential to keep track of your Venmo transactions by regularly checking your account activity and setting up notifications for new transactions. To protect yourself when using Venmo for online purchases, make sure to only shop on secure websites and never share your Venmo login credentials with anyone. Additionally, be cautious when buying from unfamiliar merchants, and take the time to read reviews and check their ratings before making a purchase. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and easily use Venmo for online purchases. Venmo also offers purchase protection, which can help you get a refund if you do not receive your purchase or if it is not as described. This protection can provide you with added peace of mind when shopping online with Venmo.